In this video, we will learn how to write formula correctly in Excel sheet. So let's start this Excel sheet. I have here some data. In this data, I already calculate here the amount. When I press the F2, here you see the some formula C2 into D2. It's multiply D units into price. Same formula I use here the different way. So first select your full data. I pressed Ctrl A to select the full data. Then I press the shortcut key Ctrl Shift F3. When I press here the Ctrl Shift F3, the one dialog box is open, the create names from selection. The create names from values in the top row, and the second is the left column is selected. I deselect the left column and click on OK. When you click on OK and then you use here the same formula, I use here the units, okay, into price. So heading of the data you can use here and just enter to get the same result of calculation. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.